my channel. My name is Angee. Emotions can be very powerful at times, and sometimes we just need a good cry. In today's video, I felt like expressing my emotions through makeup. Let's get started. I'm going to be applying Tarte Shape Tape Concealer all over my eyelids as a base, and I'm going to be blending that out with a makeup sponge. Here I'm just taking a piece of tape. With that tape, I'm following my lower lash line and placing the tape upwards. I'm taking the Zulu palette and I'm going to start off with the purple shade. I'm first placing that shade on the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm just dragging it towards the middle. Taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm blending that purple upwards in a windshield motion. Next, I'm going to be using Cover FX glitter drops in Lunar, and out of all their glitter drop shades, this is my favorite. It's multicolored and stunning. I'm placing the shade right in the center of my eyes to give it a little pop. Once that is done, I'm gently taking off the tape. And the tape did take off a little bit of my makeup, so I'm going back in with my sponge to blend it out. Going back in with the purple shade, I'm going to be applying this on the waterline. Then I'm just applying my eyeliner. I'm going to be applying lashes, so I'm just curling them first, and I'm going to be using my lash line Relux Beauty. This lash is called Star, and this is my favorite lash. It starts off shorter on the inner and flares out at the ends. I have the link down below so you can check them out and grab a pair for yourself. Now I'm scraping off a purple shade from a BH Cosmetics palette that I have. I'm also scraping off a lighter purple as well. Taking my Badescu facial spray, I'm going to be mixing it with the two shades that I just scraped off. Now for the fun part, I'm using a small brush to apply the tears. I first soaked the brush in a facial mist and dipped it in the shades that I just mixed up. And I just placed it right under my lash line, and it gave that tear effect. Going back in with the Cover FX glitter drop, I'm going to be applying it right underneath my lower lash line, and this will give it that teary effect. I really like how this glitter drop turned out. It really stood out the tears. I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in the shade I'm Nude. I purposely wanted to make my lips look pale so that it brings out the eye makeup and tears. I am also going to apply Buxom's lip polish in the shade Sophia, and this is going to give my lips shine. Alright guys, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.